Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to terminate sessions for a specific device in Telegram on PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, click on the three lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From the menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Active Sessions. Under the Active Devices section, locate and click on the name of the device you want to terminate the session for. Once you've selected the device, click on Terminate Session. A confirmation message will appear. To proceed, click on Terminate. And there you have it. You've successfully terminated the session for the specific device in Telegram on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.